Hello guys, and welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at the electrolysis of aqueous copper sulphate using inert electrodes. In this particular electrolytic process, there are four types of ions: copper ions, copper 2 ions, hydrogen ions, sulfate ions, and hydroxide ions. Now let's proceed to look at what happens at the electrodes. At the cathode, both copper 2 ions and hydrogen ions are attracted towards it. However, copper 2 ions are lower than hydrogen ions in the electrochemical series. So, as a result of this, copper 2 ions undergo reduction by accepting electrons to form copper atoms. So what happens at the cathode is that copper 2 ions undergo reduction to give copper atoms. At the anode, both the sulfate ions and hydroxide ions are attracted. However, the hydroxide ions are lower than the sulfate ions in the electrochemical series. So as a result, the hydroxide ions undergo oxidation, leading to the formation of oxygen gas and water. I want to believe that this electrolytic process I've just explained is very clear. Thank you very much, and see you in the next lesson.